Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook bio instantly. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it. And then log in with your email and password on your Facebook account. And then click on the top right corner's profile icon. And then normally you have to choose your profile. And here you will get an option to change your bio. Just normally click on your current bio. And here you will get an option edit bio. Choose it. And here you will get the box to edit your bio. For example, TF. And then clicking on the save button to save it. And that's it. Here you can see that my bio has been updated. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to change the bio of your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.